Hey, what is happening, everybody? Welcome back to Venomous Garage. It's been a little bit of time. We're all still sheltered in place, although places are starting to come open as I start to see more and more traffic on the road. It's a scorching day today, so we're not really going to go out for a drive or do anything fun like that. However, I did want to document this process. Today's vlog's about updating the GT500. You know, although it's been raced quite a bit, I do try to keep this car very clean. Like the interior and the exterior are pretty much spotless on this thing. However, one of the things that's starting to show with a car that's, 7-8 years old now is the age on its plastic pieces. So what we're going to address today is the hood vent. You see over here, the hood vents are plastic, and although everything else in the car is great, they're starting to fade in the sun. I'm not sure if you're able to see this as easily as I can, but when you take this car out, you wash it, you clean it, I wax it, everything pops except for faded hood vent. So what I want to do today, Trufiber carbon fiber hood vent. So this is going to go up, this is going to go on the car today. And from what I've read online, the install is actually not that big of a deal. So that's, kind of what it's going to look. So let's go ahead and start that process. We'll document it. I don't think it's going to be that big of a deal. I think all I need is a 10mm socket and some 3M tape, and we should be good to go. But we'll see. Follow along. All right, under hood view, the hood vent, looks like there's only one, socket that's going to be needed to be used right there, and then the other stuff is just push tabs here. I don't know, I think it just slides out. So let's go ahead and get to it. All right, so it looks like what you need for this is a 9mm socket. Not to drop it, it's going to go in your engine bay, and it's like a black hole, you'll never get it back. Like it was just 3M done all around here, so I'm going to clean this up and reverse the process with the new one. Alright, just to show you what 8 years of grime looks like. Obviously I'm going to have to clean up all this 3M tape stuff here. I'm going to go over it, clean all that stuff up before I apply the new one. So as I took all the adhesive off, I used alcohol wipes just to kind of clean everything up, make sure everything's clean. And I used a plastic body panel puller to scrape off the excess adhesive. So now it's all clean, and I'm gonna apply the 3M tape to the new hood vent and place it on. Little bits of 3M tape applied on the new Trufiber hood vent. And I'll go ahead and start the installation process. The instructor's telling me to do the front first. Tab, just pop those clips back in. this whole process maybe took me about an hour just because I didn't know what I was doing. But essentially all you have to do is unscrew one bolt, pop 2 tabs open, it slides right out. Or actually it doesn't slide right out, you have to kind of pry it off because there's 3M adhesive all the way around. But other than that, installation is kind of the reverse process. I don't know, you tell me, this finished product looks pretty amazing to me compared to what the old one was versus what you see right here. I think it came out really good. And with that, this vlog is over. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.